Let's talk about those submissions. How do you receive it? Is it through an Instagram DM? Is it through an email? If it's through email, talk to me about the subject line. What do you want to see in there? Like, what does the perfect pitch look like to you?
Our general booking requests get things that are like, I would like to book December 10th with you with no other information, which is going right in the trash. We are indie rock band in the variety of War on Drugs or Kurt Vile. See below for additional info, and please let us know if there's any avails we can look at. And then press, performance history, links, description of the band. Just make it look clean, make it not too long. Make sure that you're putting the subject line of the venue that you're actually addressing rather than just a blind email. A lot of times we just get hello venue, and that's just a turn off immediately. You don't care about our venue, you just want to show anywhere. You might not have history in our market. Tell me about adjacent markets or what kind of numbers you're doing in your home market, even if you haven't played our room before. If you're doing a 500 cap club in Virginia, that's impressive. High quality content is obviously so much more attractive and appealing. Oftentimes I see, just a music video, like I'm just listening to the song. I don't care that much about. And if you get shot room with people in it, it can even just be at a festival. It doesn't have to be a hard ticket show. Like if you're playing at a festival and I know that those people aren't there to see, but if I see them dancing and smiling and I can see that they're responding well to your music, that's something I look for as well. So videos are helpful, but making sure that it conveys like there's a lot of people at my show or the people that are there are really enjoying it, because I don't really care too much about seeing a music video.